Some drawings have off-grid spools which also have deflections on the flanges. Let's look at how to work out what deflection to enter within Automet. On screen is an example where the T heads off grid, down 311 mm and north 11 mm. Let's get this into Automet using the rectangular coordinates within the T. That's the T setup. Let's look at the deflection. In the notes of the drawing, we see that all flange deflections are shown square to the grid. Here is the deflection as stated on the drawing. 0.97 degrees north to south, pointing down on the south side. Edit the flange, uncheck held to line. Check that the radial button is pointing the right direction and add the millimeter value into the north-south box. Because the deflection values have been defined as being to the grid, we replace the value in the box with the one shown on the drawing. Now the result might look a bit odd. We added a deflection that was pointing down on the south side, however when combined with the off-grid branch, the result is actually pointing down on the north side. If we take out the 11 mm offset just to check, you can see that the mitre switches to the south side. Here is a close-up of the angles with and without the 11 mm off-grid component.